How to use Alibaba AI Qwen Chat 2.5. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now type in Qwen 2.5 AI login and then search for it. Now navigate to this one website option, chat.qwenlm.ai. Open it. Now sign up or provide your credentials and log in to your account. Currently, there is no native application for Qwen Chat 2.5, so you will need to access it through the web browser. This AI is designed to assist with a wide range of tasks from answering questions to generating content. Qwen Chat 2.5 supports both text and image inputs, allowing for a richer interaction experience. The model can utilize various tools to enhance its responses, providing more accurate and contextually relevant information. Users can generate artifacts such as images and videos directly through the chat interface. Click on the option of More. You will get access to all these features. Create image, video, code, make a plan, analyze image, summarize text, get advice, brainstorm. To enable any of it, just click on it, then provide the prompt. Let's generate picture. Once you provide the prompt, click on this arrow. You'll need to wait for a few seconds. With that, it's gonna provide you with the response. And here my image is ready. You are able to like, dislike, download or share this picture. If you're not satisfied with this one response, you can again regenerate it. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize Alibaba's Qwen Chat 2.5 for personal or professional needs. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.